Hello, this video will give you a quick overview of Aurora's proposal tool, a feature that will help you increase your closing rate by creating gorgeous proposals that reflect your company's unique characteristics. Let's start by creating a proposal template. I access this feature through the Settings section, selecting Proposal Templates, and clicking on Create Template. Think of your template as being like PowerPoint in the cloud. You can add pages and put in placeholders for text, images, financial charts, 3D and 2D objects. To demonstrate, let's go ahead and create a placeholder for a logo. By clicking on this arrow, I can upload an image of my logo. Going forward, any proposal I generate using this template will have this logo in the top left corner, just as you see here. Let's go ahead and add a few other images just to spruce up my template. Let's add one there. Let's add another one over here. I think in this first case, I will upload a nice image of a forest. And here, I will upload an image of a nice family holding up solar panels. There we go. From here, you can modify the image as you see fit. Increase some margins, etc. Next, I'll go ahead and demonstrate creating a text box. And in my text box, I'm going to go ahead and type in a static message that I want to appear in all my proposals. However, I'll also add some dynamic text. Doing this allows me to automatically pull in information such as the customer's salutation and their first and last name. And that saves me a lot of typing and allows me to customize their proposal automatically. As before, I can modify my text box, changing the font type and size, and even the orientation of the text. So as you can see from this, there is a tremendous amount you can do with Aurora's proposal template. However, let's go ahead and skip to one I created ahead of time, a 4-page proposal template, so we can look at some of the features I put in. If I toggle on the grid, you can see that I have placeholders for images, static and dynamic text, placeholders for financial information of the project, 2D and 3D images, amongst other objects in there. Spending a bit of time generating your proposal template is well worth the effort, because once you have your proposal template in place, you can automatically generate lots of proposals in just a few seconds. I'll go ahead and give you an example of this. I'll click on the Installations link. And from here, I will go ahead and select an installation I created ahead of time. One that was made for Solar Joe at this particular address. Just to give you a sneak peek of what it looks like, here's a demonstration of the 3D model of the particular site. So if I click on Proposals and then Add Proposal, I'll give this a name, and from here I can select which template I'd like to use. Let's go ahead and stick with Demo Template and click on Create. Aurora will automatically pull in the relevant data. For example, here you have the customer's name, the system size, their address, and the user who prepared this proposal for them automatically filled in. You also have things such as the 2D image, which I can modify in here, or the 3D model of the site. I can change the size, the orientation of the model directly within the proposal. For example, in this case, I may decide that I want to modify it and go into wireframe mode, select a gray background, and even add a border, for example. Making little changes like this can really make your proposal stand out from everyone else's that the customer is facing and seeing in front of them. You can upload characteristics such as the financial information of the site, the environmental impact of the proposal, and also a lot of information about your particular company. When you're done, just go ahead and click on Save PDF in order to print out a proposal or to email something to your customer. So that concludes a quick overview of Aurora's proposal tool. There is a lot more to the tool than what I've showed you here, so I encourage you to go ahead and dive in and start creating your own templates for yourself. Thank you.